In Mapletown Library, a chatty raccoon named Riff and a comet-tailed cat named Nova tinker with a bookshelf that sneezes sparkles. Umbra the umbrella turtle arrives with Sip the tiny teacup robot to show that teamwork can fix anything. When a misplaced button makes the shelves sing, the friends pause, listen, and solve the friendly riddle. They realign the shelves by sharing snacks and kindness, turning chaos into a cozy chorus. The lesson lands: ask for help and stay curious, leaving the library brighter than before.